Welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today we're going to work on this 2001 Toyota Camry tune-up. Tools you're going to need is a 5/8. You're going to want this. You can put an O-ring right here, an O-ring to help it so it won't be so sloppy. I'm going to get one for it soon. You're going to need an extension. This is at least 6 inches long. And then you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet. Go ahead and start popping these out like that. You just kind of pull right here and pop them. I already did the spark plug wires on the last job. So today I'm going to do the spark plugs. Go down there, just kind of click it out like that. And then you can take your ratchet off. Give that spin. That's what's nice about this little cross hatch here, is you can kind of spin this off a little easier. And these are Iridium spark plugs. So it's been, I think, about 5 years now, maybe going 6. You could gap them one more time and get another 1.5 years or so out of it. It's just time to just change them out. This is how you can tell if your spark plug is going to be a light tan color, like that. But you can see how it's kind of worn. See that? It's kind of worn out. It's time to get some new ones. This is a good shot of it right there. So you go ahead and you take that out. You can also take a look at this NGK spark plug, and you can see the coloration. If you see any like a little arc on here on this ceramic, and that's where you could be having a misfire. So this one here is just worn out. So there's you a good indication for a spark plug. But I had these in there for 5 years, and it was I re-gapped them because I was tight on money, and then get a little more time out of them. Get yourself another spark plug. These are already pre-gapped, and you should be able to use your spark plugs. So it fell out of the little holder here. You can put a tiny bit of Never Seez, just like a little tiny bit right here on the thread, and then you'll go ahead and you'll install it here into your spark plug, put it back in there, tighten it up good and tight, and that's it. Or you can torque it. You can go ahead and look it up, but I will pause the video and go get a little bit of Never Seez on it real quick here for you. Okay, so here we go. We got a little tiny bit of Never Seez on there, just a little bit, and it's going to get threaded on. We'll go ahead and we'll just show that to you so that you'll repeat this process on the rest of your spark plugs. It's also a good practice to blow out these holes before you pull out your spark plugs. I already did that, and I just wanted to mention it. So once you get this all threaded in, and then you can move on to the next spark plug. Alright, it's a little bit time consuming, but once you get it, you'll have it. There it is. Give it a little snug. A little bit more. Okay, it's getting tightened. And then a little bit more. And then good and tight. And that's where I'm going to do it. And just give this a quick little click back, and then it'll release the spark plug. There we go. Alright, well, I hope that video will help you out, and you can be able to do your own simple 4-cylinder or a V6 if you have 3 on side and 3 on this, and the first cylinder will be number 1 on the front here. It takes a little longer because then you'll have to get in through the 3 areas with a long extension for the V6. Okay, well, I hope that helps you out, and you'll be able to see your spark plugs down there. See if I can, there we go. There you go. Ta-da! Ooh. All right, well, thanks for watching.